Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, let's try doing it just with our camera. So just like scan QR code with camera and it doesn't react in any way. Okay, so let's try this QR code feature. Okay. Oh, as you can see, as soon as it spots my QR code, it shows me the page link of this QR code. We can go to it, just open it in our default browser, and yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code on your HTC Desire. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.